Hello students, welcome to the session. Now we go ahead with correction work. We start here with the 16th exercise. In this exercise we studied about use of could have plus verb third. So this is a modal auxiliary verb and we have understood it. On 21st of April we did it. So we have first question here as she could have taught us. वो हमें पढ़ा सकती थी. Second is here we could have faced trouble or ambiguity. We could have faced. हम क्या कर सकते थे? सामना कर सकते थे किसका? मुसीबत का, या आप कह सकते हैं समस्या का. ambiguity, trouble भी कह सकते हैं, problem और ambiguity हम इसको कह सकते हैं. moving ahead, could you have helped me? क्या आप मेरी सहायता कर सकते थे? next, what could the government have done that time? उस समय सरकार क्या कर सकती थी? Fifth is here, whichsoever nation could have raised voice against China. चाइना के खिलाफ कौन कौन सा राष्ट्र आवाज उठा सकता था? Next is here, how could we have resisted him? How could we have resisted? Right? So these are things I want you to pay attention at. How could we have resisted him from entering here? हम उसे यहाँ प्रवेश करने से कैसे रोक सकते थे? Next is, this organization could have helped people during that crisis. उस मुश्किल के दौरान यह संस्था लोगों की सहायता कर सकती थी. और यहाँ crisis को आप लिख सकते हैं tough time. Okay, next is we have exercise number 17th. Here in this exercise we studied about use of must have or ought to have plus verb third. Here let's see this first sentence we had here. उस दिन हमने लिया था पहला वाक्य क्या था वो आज ट्रांसलेशन में हम देख लेते हैं. He must have become an officer. उसे अवश्य ही एक अफसर बनना चाहिए था. Second is here, you ought to have followed traffic rules. आपको सड़क नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए था. For that we use here ought to have. करना चाहिए था पालन किस चीज का? सड़क नियमों का. तो कि क्या है हमारा one of the morality it is. So we should go by use of ought to have here. Third is must we have taken help from him. क्या हमें उससे अवश्य ही सहायता लेनी चाहिए थी? Next is here, they both oughtn't to have caused harm to the public property. उन दोनों को सार्वजनिक संपत्ति को नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाना चाहिए था. Next is here, oughtn't we to have obeyed our constitution. क्या हमें अपने संविधान का पालन नहीं करना चाहिए था या क्या हमें अपने संविधान को नहीं मानना चाहिए था? Next is here, whatsoever ought we to have done for our nation. हमें अपने राष्ट्र के लिए क्या क्या करना चाहिए था? Next is here, which is the last one here in 17th exercise, you oughtn't to have disobeyed the law. आपको कानून का उल्लंघन नहीं करना चाहिए था. Thanks a lot.